Let's think together. Because we are still making software speak English. And we equip programs with basic functions. What if our main program is just like this? P for main program, think. What if it just thinks as a main program? It doesn't do stuff right away, it just thinks. And if out of the thought an action emerges, then it does this action. But there are no pre-programmed actions like that. Also, this thought is like open. You can watch the program run and change its thoughts, put in new thoughts at runtime, and then the behavior changes. That's the idea of thinking programs. Here's a program with a very basic function. It tries to find out whether it should keep running or stop running. Because programs take up resources, right? And if there is no reason to run the program, it should end itself. If it needs more resources, it should multiply. So here's like a basic structure. We list a few concepts with the usual concepts idea. You can see explained in another video. Just 3 concepts, a question and 2 possible answers. And the main loop sets up its basic thought system, allows you to type in thoughts, and in a loop it just asks itself whether it should keep running. Evaluate this question, and if it's like a value of 0, like I don't know, it just keeps running. Because it's a little excessive to end yourself for no reason, I guess. And if the value is pretty negative, I thought this value should be between like -1 and +1. 0 meaning not, I don't know anything, not sure. +1 is yes, -1 is no. So if the value is 0 or positive, it says it's still alive. If the value is very negative, it says clean kill, which kills the whole VM, Java VM. And yeah, you can say inject truth, put something in. And it uses this English to Lisp function that actually converts English sentences into our concept language from here to here. I can show you this. I think it doesn't do that much yet. But the question is, how would we make it do something more interesting? Because we want dialogue. Now you can put a thought in if you use a special language. The answer to staying alive, like I think I like this, inject truth. Answer to staying alive is no. Let's see if I enter this, inject this thought. Yeah, it says, okay, then I kill myself, boom. If you had said the answer is yes, it would just keep running as it already does. I made these persistent false means it does not remember the thoughts it makes. Usually it remembers this. The thoughts are persistent, are stored on disk. So if we had persistence and I would start this again now, it would kill itself right away because the thought that it should not be alive is in there persistently until you clear the database. But we made it non-persistent, so it starts fresh and it does not stop itself. So as I said, we want more like actual dialogue. Yeah, how would dialogue work? Maybe you say something like, user says you should do whatever. Yeah, you should make another VM. One Java VM should make another VM. What do we do with this sentence? We need a structure, and the structure is this. You should X. You should blah blah blah, do something. So we parse input according to structure. Then we get you should, and then this is like another sub part of it. And then we need a rule. The rule is if the user says you should X, I should X. It's simplistic, but it's alright for now. We should transform probably, I mean, this last part here sometimes. It's okay for now. So we apply the rule. Apply rules. This is a standard operation. This says all the rules you have, apply them to the data you have. It's a simple thing. And what happens then? So we get a new thought. I should make another VM. And then we would have a rule that does stuff. Something like this. This is another rule. It says if I have this in the database, like this thought, program has a thought I should make this and that, then it has an actual instruction on the computer level, on the Java level. Rohab JavaX is a JavaX function that starts another VM with some code. I think there's a function called duplicate. I'm pretty sure it exists. Oh, it's called duplicate this program. That's okay. This is how function names are in JavaX. Names like duplicate this program. So, another rule. So, whatever. So when all the rules are applied, we get this term here. And that is something that can actually be executed. It's Java code. So that's how we would go about it. A user says something or something, some other event comes in, yeah. User clicks somewhere, camera picks up something, user talks. I implemented some speech recognition usually using Android. I can demo this in the next video. So user does something and then rules are applied, some parsing, and some Java code comes out. And then the program does something. And as these rules get better and better, we will have smarter and smarter input processing. Yeah, I'll try and implement this. Maybe I don't show it on the stream because it's so technical. Thanks for watching.